A glorious good morning, respected delegates. Welcome to our college TGTWRTC Girls Sangam.
లాస్ట్ అయింది మధ్యలో గ్యాప్స్ ఉండాలి. వెల్కమ్ తర్వాత
Respected delegates, welcome to our college TGTWRTC Girls Sangam.
ఇందమ్మ రారాదు బిందు మ్యామ్
నమస్తే
వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్
A glorious good morning, my respected delegates. Welcome to our college TGTWRTC Girls Sangam.
With this address of this size, we prepare 3 envelopes, 3 digits, 3 basic schedules and 2 score sheets. You posted it here. Nice. Good. Exactly.
she also former principal.
No. And we have. Breakfast this is third time. और ऊपर से मंदिर से
because we had lot of transfers and promotions and all, so I had to
whenever there is a gap, she begins. Yeah. आपके ऐसा फोटो CM. Okay. Then dear President, Governor of your state. बॉल में तो ये फोटो कॉन्फ्रेंस जी जैसे प्रेसिडेंट बदलते हैं गवर्नर सीएम बदलते फोटो स्टेट स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं
yes ma'am.
Hearty welcome to
NAC peer team, Dr. Aruna Palta, Vice Chancellor, Hemchand Yadav University, Chhattisgarh, Dr. Lalita S. Kumar, Professor, IGNOU, Dr. Murugesan Garu, Principal, Tirthangal, Northern University, Chennai. Hearty welcome to all of you, sir. Institutions from class 1 to PG as a part of its flagship KG to PG mission. There are 29 mini curriculums and 115 residential colleges and 22 degrees colleges are in English medium. To create vibrant centers for learning which provides a congenial atmosphere for students to excel academically and develop into ethically strong and morally elevated individuals. Gurukulam Society vision is to outreach and help every child outperform in the best possible way to contribute actively for the betterment of tribal community. Gurukulam Society mission is to ensure that they succeed in turn and to be responsible citizen of our country and good resources for the development of nation. Our college is TTWRTC Gurukul Girls Jangam is established in 2017. Affiliated to Kakatiya University Warangal and functions under the administrative control of TG Twaries Society, Telangana State, and the system is choice-based credit system. Next.
Can you just move back to the first slide? This 165 institutions are only in Telangana.
Only in Telangana, madam.
KG to PG.
Mission.
Starting from 5th standard to
Class 1.
degree.
Class 1 or KG to
ma'am. Class 5th to
Okay. In entire Telangana.
Telangana.
State. Because we have to mention this in our report.
Yeah.
That's why. There
Shall I
are
go back?
29 mini gurukulams.
As dynamic citizens into the sublime society. Next. Our mission is augmenting students' competence by adapting creative of innovative teaching and learning strategies, encouraging students towards exploration to attain skill enrichment to support research areas and empowerment. Our courses offered are BSc Physical Science courses, MPC and MPCS, and BCom General, BCom Computers, BSc Life Sciences in these two, BJC as well as Microbiology, Zoology, Chemistry. Two courses are there. And BA History, Economics, Political Science. Next. Year-wise admission of the college is this. And finally the 2024-25 fifth year, 114 students have joined in the first year. And year-wise strength of the college, complete total strength in this 2024-25 year is the 291 students.
So it is reducing, from 484, 481, 420.
Due to this COVID problem and all, most of the girls they stayed back at
It
home.
was long back. At that time you had 481, 484.
Yes, ma'am.
During the period of COVID, it was in 400.
Yes.
Now it is coming to 291.
Marriages, ma'am.
Early marriages.
Some may be marriages.
Early marriages.
Early marriages.
You have to create awareness, in the nearby villages.
We are
Reducing
saying
trend is not
very much,
easy.
but they are not.
We are doing with the program called as Quest, ma'am. That
First, I know.
Yes.
That is one of your best practices. I have.
Yes,
yes, madam.
I don't
Yes.
know so much about it.
In summer holidays.
Reducing.
Life skills, Supernova, Master Student, Filmmaking course, IIT JAM, TRE TOEFL, Vignan Shala, CAT coaching, MATLAB, extraordinary boot camp. Next. Our committees are like this, madam. These committees are established in the college. Next. These are clubs, madam.
And
Each
drugs committee का क्या है? Role?
Ganjai. Against Ganjai.
Students here, they are
No,
supposed to take.
no,
but
They have made
But we have to.
Yeah, it is a
NSS.
maybe an NSS activity. No.
NSS.
it's a girls' institution.
Is it possible the girls college?
No, sir.
No, but
Actually,
what is the purpose of this committee?
Yes, yes.
this
Solely
company is
for
like-
namesake or is it?
No,
It's
real
not like
functioning?
namesake, ma'am. Actually, they receive the people from police department and the advocates and
Okay, but then,
But that can be
Yeah.
a part of NSS only.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I
We
was
not make a separate
committee
for
no,
it.
of the girls. for this
Especially
year.
if it's a boys' college, then also it has got some relevance, you know. For girls' colleges,
As of now, we don't have any such.
Yeah, that's what I was asking. If there is any case,
But
okay.
something there.
The NSS is not a committee, ma'am. NSS is not committee. NSS is a program.
Yeah.
The NCC also is another program.
You have not mentioned NCC is not here.
NCC, the sanctioned unit, I mean, we have gone to the unit, ma'am. So they said that we will take
Okay,
some time.
right now it is
After some
not.
time, there will be a
It's
lot
not
of.
existing right now.
Yes.
Yes.
Career guidance.
Yes.
Shortcuts. What is the full form of IQAC? Madam will tell.
Ma'am, like this.
IQAC, what is the full form of IQAC?
Quality, QAC, 1 minute.
Internal.
Internal
Cell. This is E plus club, English club, madam, literary club, STEM club, commerce club, creative community. And these are the clubs.
Dance and music club, that is culture.
Culture.
Art and theatres and dance and music. Is there any difference between these two clubs?
Yes, ma'am, in art and theatre.
Dance, music, theatre and arts.
Yes, ma'am.
Art and can be combined as one club, cultural club लिख देंगे तो उसी में आ जाएगा.
But as per our society's norms, we have 8 clubs in general, ma'am.
अच्छा,
So specifically.
societies no.
Yes,
Okay, different.
curriculum initiative, ma'am.
But what is the STEM club?
STEM
Science.
science.
Scientific, science, technology, engineering, mathematics.
And E plus is of course
For communication skills, ma'am, English clubs.
Huh?
English clubs, ma'am. E plus clubs are like, it is a flagship program of curriculum which enables the student to improve their communication skills, especially.
Sounds like
That name has been given, it is born from the society, ma'am.
okay. Oh, that's a decent. These are all.
Under the
All from
leadership of
society, ma'am.
Dr. R.S. Praveen Kumar, IPS.
IPS.
Okay. Generally, there is a confusion between a part of
Poetry writing and essay
You
writing.
know, अलग से इंग्लिश क्लब के बदले तो लिटरेरी में ही का ही पार्ट
हाँ,
है.
club.
वैसे डांस एंड म्यूजिक, आर्ट्स एंड थिएटर्स कम इन कल्चर है.
Yes.
वो आप लोग जरूरी अलग अलग बना लीजिए.
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
curriculum वाला
Even this creative club can come in culture, you know. Creativity तो सब में आर्ट्स में, कल्चर में, ड्रामा, डांस सब में आता है.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
Non-teaching staff, sanctioned strength is 43, but working degree lecturers are 34, madam. Non-teaching staff, 22 is the sanctioned strength, working is the 17 members are working. Next.
This is all
Not
about
appointed.
not appointed.
43 teaching and 43 sanctioned posts and 34 are working.
Yeah.
All 34 are regular teachers?
Regular teachers.
Regular.
No, madam. 28 are regular teachers and remaining 6 are guest lecturers.
Yes, lecturers.
Now they have all
These
these
vacancies have to be filled, but you should increase the number of the students first.
Okay.
Because unless and until you increase the number, what is the use of the faculty?
Lecturers, faculty.
चलिए.
How many of them are regular and not teaching, ma'am?
In non-teaching,
Administrative officer and 3 members, sir. It's 5 plus library. 6 members, sir.
Six members are regular, ma'am.
Remaining are guest lecturers.
Yes,
Remaining
Yes, staff.
11 not teaching.
they are from outsourcing and part-timers.
340 students होना चाहिए. ये तो 291 students है. The ratio is 9. 9
But
plus
that
1.
is also-
Face to face teaching हो गई.
Yeah.
चलिए.
Our qualification of the faculty is 2 members are PDF completed, madam, 10 are PhD completed awarded, and net set qualified are 17 members, and pursuing PhD are 6 members, sir.
Next, I mean, how many of them are with fellowship?
2 members. JRF,
Pursuing PhD, madam.
JRF, Anita, ma'am.
They are they getting any fellowship out of net set?
No.
No, only qualify for their,
They have been appointed here, so they will not get fellowship.
now of course not.
Ma'am, how many of them completed NET plus PhD?
Net plus PhD, sir. I think 2 of them, sir.
Two.
What is this, PDF?
Postdoctoral fellowship.
Because what they meant was some of them are a little more qualified than their PhDs. So
Yes.
must have gone out for PDF or what?
Out for
Research
PDF.
as
Mine.
No, I mean abroad. I mean
Abroad, USA. madam.
Okay, that's what I mentioned.
And one member is physics lecturer.
Okay.
She is from Usmania University, PDF.
Acha. You mean outside this, from the university in AP only, in not
Our lecturer.
Madam has done her PDF in other country, ma'am.
Other
other
country,
country.
yes.
Yes. Okay.
Hers is overseas, yes.
Okay. Which country did you go?
USA, madam. United States of America.
Your subject?
Pharmacy, madam.
Oh, you are from pharmacy. Okay. That's a
Pharmacy.
good subject. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Next. A day in Gurukulam. This is morning hours, yoga hours, and assembly, breakfast, and this is the classes hours, study hours, and this is the lunch hour, madam. Next.
This yoga is a everyday activity?
Yoga everyday activity.
Everyday activity?
Every day.
Morning?
Ground activity.
Okay.
Next. Strength, weakness, opportunities, challenges of our college are next. Strength is the most sought after college for the tribal students centrally located in Jangam district and easy transport facility to district area hospital. Majority of the teachers are NET/SET qualified. The college is recognized and sophisticated, well-equipped green campus with good infrastructure and amenities with efficient staff, fostering knowledge of the faculty, their skill through faculty development program and orientation classes and short-term classes, and this is the refresher courses.
So refresher courses are organized by which
UGC?
UGC or what?
Your university must be
Our
organized.
college and from that is funded by our Gurukulam.
Okay.
So Gurukulam only is organizing refresher.
Yes.
And
Those
those
certificates are valid or not?
Valid.
Because it should be from the university, you should get the
Exactly.
certificate from the university.
Some certificates are obtained from university for some lecturers, but some are
Those only are valid, I want to tell you.
Yes, yes.
Even by your Gurukulam is
Because-
not in a position to give you certificates
Yeah,
for
yeah,
attending
yeah.
courses.
The
Yes,
same
ma'am.
It is an internal mamla, that is all internal thing.
okay.
If you are doing anything from Gurukulam, whatever certificates the college gives to the.
Yes, okay.
They are not considered.
Because
as-
all this will be
From
considered
UGC.
for the promotion of
Appraisal,
self-appraisals and all.
Yes,
Actually, UGC sponsored, university given the certificate.
that is
Yes.
best, madam. Yes, first preference is
Those
from
courses
UGC.
only are considered to be valid.
FDPs are also very important that way.
They are going and presenting the papers and getting the.
Everything's online only.
In conference.
Exactly. Yeah.
Ma'am, the majority of teachers such net recommend. How many of the regular teachers?
28, sir.
28.
Out of 30,
No.
28.
28, yeah.
28. How many of them completed PhD and it and you?
That only should be.
Acha.
They still Indian only compared to them. Majority put down.
Majority.
Yes.
Recent recruitment, sir. That is recent recruitment before 3 months only.
Okay.
They have appointed.
They're old faculty.
Before them, only 4 or 5
Actually,
years.
28 staff, more than 20 staff members.
Yes, sir.
This awarded PhD is majority.
Major, only major. Because 11 or 12 lecturers are PhD completed.
6 are undergoing, pursuing.
Yes, sir. Yes, madam.
Yeah.
And some are net set.
It's
Yes,
been
ma'am.
only 6-7 years, I mean, it will take time for this institution also to develop.
But they got the permanent job here. In this
Acha, they are all okay, permanent.
permanent
I am
lecturers.
making a video, you are not required to make.
3 months back, I received all the study notice, all the doctorates.
आप जाइए.
Weakness is an affiliating the course syllabus so as to be suitable for the changing requirement of the industry. Process under progress of permanent affiliation, they are not giving the permanent affiliation certificate. Unable to get funds from the central and state government to promote the research culture.
Funds not given.
Next.
Weakness ma'am. The staff will be sanctioned side there.
For this,
17. Non-teaching. Regular 6 members are non-teaching. Yes.
அதுவே weakness தான் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். Okay.
ma'am, shall I move on to the next slide?
Here certificate evaluated courses for the students to conduct the number of FDPs, seminars, webinars, national conferences, and encourage the facility promotion of research culture and presentations, publication of research articles and papers, various MOUs and collaborations of our institution with varied meeting with many higher education institutions can improve the skill, ability and exposure to industries. Our institution is aiming to get good grade in NAAC assessment and accreditation process so that our institution gets recognition as well as support through various means.
Second category, national conference there.
International conference
This is
also
not
virtual.
We are attending, sir, but we haven't organized.
Not conducting.
They have not organized, but they have attended.
Attended, sir.
And webinars generally are international, you know, they call 1 or 2 speakers.
Yes.
No.
Generally international is the better one.
Webinar, yes.
Webinar we have conducted, sir.
Cheriya.
And one more.
Move on, please.
Okay.
Institution challenges. Predominant number of students of our college are from regional language backgrounds as well as the first generation learners in their families. Counseling of the parents in rural areas of our students to avoid child marriages and to decrease the dropouts also. The limited number of industries, limited students opportunities to get the internships and other kinds of practical training.
Excuse me, have you calculated the dropout
No,
rate of
I wasn't
institution?
sure.
Like if 100 students go to second year, then dropouts at which level? First year, second year?
No dropouts, madam. Dropouts only possible that are occurring in second year only. We are facing the problem. And second year से वो final year में ज़्यादा marriages as well as dropouts है.
So roughly what is the
Roughly
percentage of dropout?
30%.
30% chance. So you people don't perform any counseling for them or for their parents?
Especially
The girls should study till graduation at least, otherwise there is no use of studying first year and second.
Second year.
Yes,
Ma'am,
madam.
earlier you could see that in the West there is a lot of dropout. Due to our efforts and all, at least we are able to maintain that strength as of now.
30%.
No, ma'am, that was 30% in the like graph you have seen in the graph, right? So in that there is a lot of decline after COVID. But then actually a lot of efforts have been done by the faculty and all due to this Quest program.
But
and
your
all.
enrollment shows gross decline, you know.
Yes. Actually, there are pharmaceutical colleges and engineering colleges as well in Jalgaon. That is a main problem. Here, what
They are going for professional kind
Yes.
of a program instead of
So in this community, it is very much difficult.
No, but then you have BA and other things. Sciences I can understand, but then BCom is for this
Skill development programs you can start.
what is the fee structure like? How much do you charge?
No fee.
No fee, madam. Fee all are coming from government only.
Okay.
Fee should be.
So it
That's
is
exclusively.
this is
It's
totally
government institution without fee, without all the
All the amenities are free.
I see. And for other things like their food and all.
Yes.
Everything.
fees, clothes, and it's with chappal, shoes, etc., etc. 100% free ships.
But this is cosmetic charges.
Cosmetic charges also.
Okay. This is a
To buy coconut oil
Okay.
and her requirements.
Okay.
sanitary napkins and all.
Yes,
that.
yes,
All
all
vending machine and everything is.
Yes.
Everything.
Because this community has lot of dropouts and early marriages.
हो सकता है क्योंकि we are
Bus, tribal colleges, man, especially.
These child marriages, we are going to give some classes to them, but they are asking that you give one demand draft paper for bond paper.
Oh, that you cannot leave the college before this.
To avoid that, we have asked the students to give a bond, ma'am. That you are not going to get married.
There is a penalty. You know, they will take it seriously.
Ma'am, actually we are not supposed to impose any kind of penalty from the society.
This is.
We are restricted from that.
Depending because this.
Yes, we tried.
Yeah.
चलिए 5 years का
Next. APDC Academic Planning and Development Committee meetings, timetable according to curricular focal activities, continuous evaluation process, skill development activities, extension programs like guest lectures, seminars, quiz, group discussions, project delivery. Next. Programs are
bridge courses meant for what?
Actually, these are first generation learners, ma'am. So they will have basic levels of learning. So in order to mix them up with the general stream, we just teach them the basics like grammar,
You don't
mathematics.
have any general stream, everybody is a tribal only.
Yes, ma'am. But initially they have this kind of grammatical fear and all.
So that class must be behaving in the same manner.
Ma'am, sorry,
Must
That
conduct.
community is tribal only.
yes, ma'am.
So
Tribal only.
10% is from other castes, ma'am.
they are of the same stream.
But then bridge course is for what duration?
Bridging the gap between the
Correct. But then is some extra time given to them or it is increasing?
initially before the classes for the first years before starting the academics we give the bridge course, ma'am.
Okay. For
How
how
many
much?
days?
It will be around 1 week to 10 days, ma'am.
1 week to 10 days.
That is your
Starting courses.
It's a counseling.
7 days they
UG programs offered are BSc Physical Science courses 2 and BSc Life Sciences, BSc Data Science, BCom, BA. Next. BCom General,
Yes,
BCom.
data science is all.
Yes, ma'am.
One combination will mean that only data science.
Data science, maths, stat.
Have to conduct then academics and skill development programs also there, and NSS activities are conducted and sports in sports also students are participating and library is there. Next.
NSS means all the students have taken NSS, every student
Yeah.
or has selected.
100 volunteers, ma'am. We take
30 days. Okay, then you give us a day. And value added also is for 30 days.
And like you charge something for it or it is free?
No, ma'am, it is free of cost, completely free of cost.
In college, everything is free of cost. 1 LP should not be taken in any time.
Okay.
Within 3 years, they have to freely every course they should complete freely.
Okay.
If anything required, ask to
Attendance
separately.
is poor, you impose some fine if attendance is poor.
No, madam. No, that is also we also not.
We counsel, ma'am, in the mentor-mentee system, we counsel the students
It's
to
not a
attend.
question, ma'am. These are the courses comes under the NPTEL or SWAYAM or MOOC, whatever it is.
No, sir, it is
That is
institutional
valid.
level.
That is valid.
Yeah, institutional level.
The value added courses, it comes from the NPTEL, it is
In
valid.
fact, they have prepared it at their own level.
Yes,
That's
because
why
to
they
make
don't
them-
carry any weightage, you know. The courses are planned at curriculum level.
Yeah, yes, good, yes.
It is under institutional level only, ma'am, these certificate courses, because we have to make them flow to
Recently,
the.
they are conducting NPTEL conducting
Yes,
courses for
SWAYAM and
6 months
yeah.
or 6 weeks.
So we are planning for that, sir, in the further cycle, we are
You get
planning.
it? Yeah. You will have to apply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Exams also after the training period is over. Exams needed is.
So these are not evaluative, huh?
Generally, to give them a basic idea about certificate courses, we are conducting
Okay.
certificate courses.
Okay.
In years, and this is the students ratio. Number of courses conducted. Next.
Next.
This is also graphical representation of benefited students.
Yes, next.
This is the proof of.
This is computer class.
These are the certificates.
चलिए आगे।
core courses, the college also implements skill enhancement courses with credits such as these environmental studies, fundamentals of computer
What is the
science,
duration?
statistics.
Again 1 month.
Sir,
This is
Skill enhancement courses are within the curriculum, ma'am, actually.
within the curriculum.
duration of skill enhancement courses
Because
conducted.
that Python programming was in the
No.
certificate also.
Yes.
Nanotechnology. So again they are in skill enhancement.
Yes.
Public health and hygiene, water resource management also.
This is generally.
Yes, ma'am.
So who conducts the exam of these
University.
courses, university or you people?
Exams, madam.
Exam of these skill development courses.
We conduct.
You
We have
conduct.
in our college.
Before we say give the credit, the university only
Nagpur, Nagpur
Nagpur is
University.
connected to university, ma'am.
Nagpur University.
Ma'am, the credit is only the university.
Okay.
Non-core subject is from university.
From
That
university.
are displayed in the memo sheet of the students. So that is connected to the university.
Whereas certificate courses like
Yes, yes.
Projects.
and projects in this years, this is the number of projects conducted.
Projects.
In our college, small, short projects.
Oh, these are students.
Students.
It's what are the courses? Giving half of the project, ma'am, what are the courses? Where BCom also is another
BCom, they have a project.
Then,
In fact, these are assignments, you know. which are-
The students must be assigned some activity and they prepare the projects.
Project work. Feedback through teachers, parents, alumni.
7 stakeholders you can communicate.
Criteria 2, teaching, learning and evaluation. The admission process is done through online those
आगे बढ़ा दीजिए वो slow learner और ये सब का।
slow learners and divided class also conducting. This is the those
Through this those portal only we get all the admissions, ma'am.
only.
Degree online
From the
courses.
curriculum, from the curriculum side or from the.
This is from the government of Telangana.
Those
Yes. Yes.
Government of Telangana say university to from our college. Student enrollment ratio
What
sanction.
is the name of?
Degree online services, Telangana. Those.
Degree online.
Degree online.
degree online?
Degree online services, Telangana, sir.
This is a portal, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can see it. Degree online services, Telangana.
No, I mean, someone said.
Sanction strength is this is
So
and admitted
Okay.
Shall I move on to the next slide?
This year.
But 23, 24, I mean, numbers have really reduced, 22, 23, 79 only.
Actually, earlier we had this ratio, like 60% ST and 10% BC. Like that, they have given that liberty to take BC students as well. But these days, what they did is like they have given constraint, like only you need to take only ST.
only ST. More than 90% are only ST.
So we need to go for all tandas and all their living
So
communities.
you can keep the seats vacant if the ST.
Yes, ma'am. We cannot give it to anybody. Actually, we have been receiving all the BC and OC people also.
BC, what is BC?
Backward classes. ma'am.
Backward classes.
Okay, OBC we call it.
Yes,
Ordinary
ma'am.
backward
Yes.
class.
Yes.
Other people.
Here we call, in central you call OBC, here we call it as backward classes.
Okay, okay.
And we have OC also, other castes.
Okay.
Unreserved.
Like unreserved, yes.
Okay.
You are, yes.
You are OBC, SC, ST.
Yes, ma'am.
1%
That
are
is
SC.
SC, you don't have SC.
SC1, PH1, orphan 1.
One only.
Percent.
1%.
One seat, ma'am. One seat.
95% ST.
Yes,
ST.
We are going for the tandas and all to bring them all.
Okay.
But
Complete
yesterday she
tribal.
was studying 80%. A lady who was accompanying us.
Madam, the problem is in certain areas the communities are large, like this tandas, the people who are from ST community, they are large in number. This is Janagaon is a city which is very much near to Hyderabad. So we have little bit of tandas. We were able to reach there and we were able to spread all this awareness about these Gurukulams and then we are able to get this.
Actually, they have many more tribal colleges.
22 one.
Yeah. So
22
some of, I mean, depending upon distance, they all,
Yes,
go to
they They occupy only the places near to their residing community.
What is the percentage of BC, SC?
Only one seat, sir.
1%, sir.
40 section strength, out of which one is for BC, one is for SC, one is for other castes.
5% and 95% for
Yes.
tribal.
95% tribal.
That's one of the reasons you
That is a
are.
challenge, actually.
Actually, that is a
Hurting colleges.
Yeah.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
have to go to Tandas and
It is a Herculean task, ma'am, actually,
meet students.
for us to get the admissions, because from these
जब
communities.
आप लोग दो colleges को मिला के एक college बना
Yes,
देते हैं,
yeah.
you get more students.
At least you will have good numbers, you know.
Please try to admit.
They look at the proximity, ma'am,
Yeah.
to their community. Mostly they prefer
Yes.
the proximity.
It happens, and especially when
Everybody
you
is trying to do that.
Yeah.
आगे बढ़ा.
Okay.
This is student teacher ratio. Now the at present student teacher ratio is 9:1. 9 lecturers, sorry 9 students for one teacher.
Oh. So this, you know, generally you don't even get it coveted. I mean, schools.
This has been easy for us in mentor-mentee, ma'am.
That's why you have mentor-mentee.
Yes.
Actually, you know, they are able to take care, you know, in that sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
आगे बढ़ा दीजिए, please. बढ़ा दीजिए.
This
नहीं,
is
नहीं, we can just see.
this is quiz
बढ़ाते रहिए.
group discussions. Quartet group is there. In this quartet group, four number of students. 4 students we have joined together to form a group. Bright student in average.
Increases peer learning, ma'am, in their level.
Yeah, yeah.
Discussions. These students may get knowledge.
Do you really practice this water?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
ICT enabled tools are we use smart boards, projectors, Zoom.
Yeah, sure.
These smart boards
Okay. These are in all the classrooms.
we have
Project Sankalp. Project Sankalp.
Sankalp say under Sankalp they have
CSR.
no CSR they have given CSR funding for us.
Okay.
Cafetech
This lab renovation is going on with that company only, ma'am. It is half done actually. So
and they have provided 6 only that is 50% furniture to us. 6 digi boards
Okay.
and 6
Projectors.
projectors and 1 auto system and computer lab. This computer lab and this is, it has to complete renovation scheme
Okay.
and 100 chairs and
How many systems, ma'am?
30 systems are going to come, sir. 30
plants
systems.
also they have given, sir. The plants we have which are there,
Okay.
that plants also provided
Okay.
by Cafetech only.
You people are really lucky, you know.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, what's your thing? So all these computers होंगे
Cafetech company. Cafetech
CSR funding.
CSR funding.
CSR
Under
funding.
corporate social responsibility. So they are giving all these. They have
Adopted.
they have adopted us for 5 years, sir.
Oh.
For this year they have given this
And they will give
equipment.
much more, you
They
know.
have
And they are
agreed.
sending scientific equipment also
Field
for
trips.
but next month, in the next
Okay,
month.
for the research and other activities.
But this year they have given these and next year until 5 years they
Oh
will
God.
give us.
They also agreed to give this field trips and resource persons, awareness sessions and certificate courses and incubation centers
Yes.
Oh, in-
and job
All
training
these
programs.
programs.
You have an innovation cell also
Incubation cell also.
is there. So, and no,
We asked for it, ma'am, actually.
Only maybe have.
Not started.
Not yet started, sir, because after
I
this.
think tell me, this is a smart board ना.
Yes.
So why don't you use it yourself? उसको touch करके आप आगे
Yes,
बढ़ाइए.
yes,
So why are
yes.
you asking her to do the presentation? Smart board should be used smartly ना. You can use it yourself. Just touch it and then you go forward.
but there are trained teachers for using the smart boards and all.
These are incident
Yes,
recently,
yes,
ma'am,
yes.
2 days back.
Recently they have arranged this.
2 days
They have
back.
sent for us for our map.
Because if
program.
you are not using, how can teachers and students use it, you know?
Within 10 days I will use, madam.
Acha, she has to get install and then
So nothing is required. You just
Madam, actually there is a
touch
high
it.
voltage, so we are not supposed to touch the screen. So preferably we are using this mouse and this thing, ma'am. After this visit, again we are asking for the USB and all.
Complete renovation.
अच्छा
Yes.
स्मार्ट बोर्ड शुड एक स्क्रीन की तरह यूज
Yes,
कर रहे हैं इसको।
Because there is a high voltage problem yesterday.
Everything in the smart board.
Yes.
This is
Otherwise they'll
नहीं स्मार्ट बोर्ड में उसी समय वहीं पर ही
हाँ।
खोले में उसी
लिख
समय
भी लेते हैं और कुछ भी कर लेते हैं।
They show it.
You know, that's what he is telling. I think some voltage problem.
Yes ma'am,
is there.
yesterday there was a voltage problem,
Yesterday
high
there was a
voltage
problem.
problem.
Okay, okay.
So they said that only one this thing you can use as of now. After this visit, again we'll provide all the UPS
Stabilizer.
UPSs and all.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
UPS provided, madam.
Acha.
UPS, new UPS is there.
Okay.
But the connection is not there.
Exactly.
And they will provide stabilizers also.
Okay.
Is it?
After that you can definitely.
Yes, yes.
Through YouTube, a separate YouTube channel is there. And this is a TSAT. Students as teacher.
Our IQSC
Telangana.
coordinator, she has a channel and few of our faculty also have channels.
And programs for advanced learners, these type of programs are conducted, madam. CUCET, that is Central University Test, and PG entrance coaching, career guidance, self training, student as teacher program, TSAT.
So, like, who is organizing these?
From the society. From the society.
Society means,
they take the students, they screen the student at institutional level and they pick the meritorious students and again they'll form an there.
Because PG coaching and career guidance.
PG coaching and all we give ma'am. At the
Okay,
institutional
okay.
level we give for the national, for the
Hospital
universities existing in the state.
etc.
JAM, GRE, TOEFL,
Yeah.
and CUCET,
Okay. Some students have really tried for.
Obtained, madam. Obtained. Seats also obtained.
Okay.
This is the one
IIM ma'am, one girl is placed in IIM, Sambalpur.
Sambalpur.
This is.
Yes, from this community, this is the first girl.
How many slides more?
40 faculty particulars, 28 students.
आगे बढ़ा please.
This is the ratio of result ratio, 100% result, 99, 96%, 94%. This year 96% results.
Acha, they all perform well.
Yes ma'am.
Evaluation of POs and COs. IPS encourages all the staff members to inform students about program outcomes, program specific outcomes, course outcomes in order to give a crystal clear awareness about the program and course. Program outcomes are evaluated by examining the progression to higher education by the students. Program specific outcomes are evaluated by observing the student participation in various career counseling and job drives. And course outcomes may be evaluated with the results achieved internal exams as well as external exams of the university.
And course.
Research, innovation, extension.
आपका तो यूजी है तो क्या रिसर्च करेंगे यहाँ पे? Only यूजी क्लासेस आते हैं।
Yes ma'am, but actually we are training them to write research papers like a template. We are trying to give them a template at least.
चलिए इसको आगे बढ़ा दीजिए because this criteria
Yes. Innovation ecosystem, field and site visits for the students, and project-based learning with field trips, eco-friendly initiative for utilizing kitchen waste into production of vermicompost.
कितने MOUs हैं आपके पास?
MOUs around 14 or 14.
Are they all functional or only for the name of?
No ma'am, some are functional.
Some.
Yes.
Let me know later on.
Innovative ecosystem.
आगे बढ़ा दीजिए.
Next. Next.
ये सब papers published कुछ नहीं है इसमें. ये teachers के होंगे. UGC peer review.
Yes ma'am, you
Yes.
just get it.
UGC recognized and
आगे बढ़ाते जाइए.
Springers.
और बढ़ा दीजिए. और बढ़ा दीजिए.
Next.
Just keep on moving, you know.
Clean India Rally.
Keep on moving.
Clean India Rally. పిల్లల కోసం in this course, in this project, we have sent to the students. They have sent to one school visit, and they have given the classes and extra programs also. Next. This is farming.
Club activities ma'am.
Vinayaka Tayari. This is
Outreach.
program and waste materials into
Creative club, health and hygiene, outreach program, outreach activities, creative clubs,
Raksha Bandhan. This is
making Rakhis and all.
NSS. Through NSS we have conducted.
Unit of 100 is there for NSS.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody gone for RDC parades to Delhi?
No.
No. One of our lecturer, senior most lecturer Aruna Kumari have got this Prashamsa Patram from collectorate.
Okay.
Next.
थोड़ा सा fast करना पड़ेगा because we are running
Next.
out of time. MOUs show the MOUs.
Next, this Bindu madam has got the district wise first prize in Warangal Swachh Drive, Swachh Gurukulam.
Our college stood in the first place under Swachh Gurukulam community.
Swachh. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
These are MOUs.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. 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 See? Irman, Alliance Francis, Gram Panchayat, and Sri Karma organization.
Have you been benefited in any of the fields by these MOUs? What
Yes,
benefit
once
was
again,
it?
in this, some of the MOUs are tied with our society, like the Swimfy Solutions and United Way of Hyderabad, Mass Mutual. Under this Mass Mutual, few of our students have been placed in the corporates, ma'am. So these are the MOUs which are directly connected with the society, and few of the MOUs we have framed with the local colleges and universities as well. So from this Kakatiya Government College, we have been receiving the peer team visit guidelines and all. We have been receiving the support, and we have this guest lectures and all.
Complete this
Seminars.
NAC program guidance also.
Yes, ma'am. Kakatiya College also we have this guest lectures.
Next.
From Kefintech also we want to get
This
some.
our organization is from society again, and Alliance. These are all and Building Technologies is ours. And this Gram Panchayat for this vermicomposting and all, we tied an MOU. And this meditation also we have tied an MOU, and we have these activities as well. And she's a NGO organization from the local area, and she also.
You have a BCom courses, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, MOU with the BCom,
No, sir.
commerce
No,
students.
sir. No, sir.
How can you?
From the colleges only we have, sir.
And
Not from
you
the
direct with
organization.
the chartered accountant or the CME, whatever. it
But
is.
we have the sessions, sir, actually. But MOUs are not tied with the
Because the commerce
commerce.
students is tie up with the MOU with CA or CME or ICEE or
Yes.
SCS.
But we conduct sessions,
Yes,
sir.
very useful.
Yes,
Very
sir.
useful.
We are trying for that,
Okay,
sir.
good.
Curriculum for infrastructure and learning resources. Next.
Yes.
The next. Madam. Built-up area, 5 acres of built-up area, academic block, laboratories and ground, and 17 classrooms are there, 7 laboratories with 4 dormitories and spacious libraries also there. Wellness center is also there. Gymnasium, gym is there. CGC room.
We will see all the physical facilities.
Next. Okay, madam. Physical facilities like this.
Yes, we will see actually.
Yes.
All the
Yes, sir.
facilities we are going to see.
Yes. Development and augmentation, infrastructure development and augmentation, year-wise excluding salaries, we have conducted 64 lakhs of the funding is given by the head office. Only for head office.
अच्छा चलिए फिर आगे बढ़ाते हैं.
Only from head office.
So your head office can give anything.
Yes, yes, madam.
Benefit for us, sir.
Rusa, we have applied, not applied for you, Rusa, madam.
हाँ रूसा से मिलेगा भी नहीं ना क्योंकि accreditation इनका हुआ ही नहीं है तो कैसे मिलेगा? Now you will get from Rusa.
Day celebration.
कोई fan चलाएगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Fancy. Salaries, madam. This is salaries, 46 lakhs, 38 lakhs, 47 lakhs is our funding, madam.
Next.
No need this, sir.
Student supported progression provided by the institution and that is government. Career guidance help from the competitive exam coaching and counseling, soft skills, language, communication skills. Sports activities are live throughout the year and students have been benefited from the institution in various competitions. They are
Any state level or above, any student
State level we have, ma'am.
Okay.
Our
scholarships are obtained by 3 members. Free ships are for
cosmetic charges.
These are the free ships provided by our society, ma'am, at a glimpse.
That your Gurukulam is giving. na?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए आगे बढ़ो.
Total 100% they are giving. Sir.
हाँ, वो तो मालूम पड़ गया. आगे बढ़ा.
This is 160. Soft skills and communication skills photos, sir. Next. Soft skills communication.
Soft skill is outsourcing, ma'am?
No, sir.
From head office. Sir. Yoga and ICT tools utilization. Yoga day. Yoga.
Okay. Actually, it's looking like as if flowers are kept.
And the NSS activities.
Yeah, yeah.
Seva day.
मैडम पढ़ाते जाइए.
3 menses. Next.
क्योंकि अगर मैनेज नहीं करेंगे तो आगे कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे.
This is we have progress to higher education of 24 this year, whereas job they have got job placements in these 3 jobs they have got. Whereas in this year 42 are for PG coaching, PG seats they have got the seats,
In universities.
and 8 they have got the jobs.
University from here.
Kakatiya University.
Kakatiya University, madam.
It will be around 1 hour, ma'am.
1 hour for
60 Analytics, these are all corporate companies. Kevintech also, the company which has sponsored a CSR funding. So some people are into it again.
This is
Higher education.
Higher education.
PG.
Okay.
Next.
Next.
Placements.
And one girl, she has cleared her Telangana state eligibility test, just like NET. What do we have in Central?
Set.
Yes, set.
Yeah.
Next.
Reverse.
Maybe our
1 minute. This is in CAT exam 5 members are qualified. In this one student went for IIM Sambalpur. JAM is 2 students they have got the seats, and CUCET 2 students, and constable post they have obtained 5 posts.
Everything is in the SSR.
Yes, ma'am.
थोड़ा सा फास्ट करिए ना.
Next.
इनकम्प्लीट छोड़ना
Next.
पड़ेगा.
Indoor outdoor games are there.
Easy.
These are the sports. This is the alumni registration certificate.
Is it a registered and?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. आगे बढ़ा दीजिए.
Alumni contribution.
We will talk to the alumni.
Okay.
They will tell.
Principal
This
for
also we have seen. The principal or vice principal.
head of the department. Next. This is organogram. Our sister class. Next. Implementation of e-governance by the 4 administration through those and finance and accounting affairs and student admission report and
We will
support
see the consult.
and examination through the
See
university.
the cells, different cells. We will go to office, see the finance and accounting.
Okay. Implementation of e-governance, SAMS.
तो इनका पूरा admission is.
This is Annapurna madam. In this Annapurna, daily the number of students are and lunch of students.
Diet entries are made, ma'am. Like this much, total today 40 students are there, 40 entries, like that, per capita.
Per capita daily.
For their mess and food.
Yes,
Mess
ma'am.
and food.
Yes, ma'am.
Annapurna.
We have along with grants, like how much should be given, what is the value and all.
So
that's
how
what we
much,
got.
what is the expenditure per girl for 1 day for breakfast, lunch, dinner and tea?
What is the cost?
What is the cost which is being given by your society for per student? Per student.
Earlier it was 50, madam.
50
Now it is enhanced.
plus 40% now it is from this month.
This month.
This
Yes,
month.
ma'am.
So this has raised.
Reduced.
How much?
Increased, sir.
Increase, sir.
Yes,
50.
from 50 again 50 plus, and then they have again added some amounts, sir, because it has been around 98
But monthly we get to 2100 per
per child.
Per student.
Yes, ma'am.
2100.
50.
It was 1500
But
extra.
now enhanced.
But our rice is 1 rupee kg rice, ma'am.
1
The
kg.
remaining all are like under this catering service.
Even in our state, they give BPL people 1 rupee per kg.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
And the cooking charges and all the
Yes, ma'am,
servants,
we have a
they are paid
contract.
for the same amount?
No, separated ones.
Separate. 2100 only for eating.
Only for this
Food
girls.
purpose. And this cosmetic charges and all?
That is different, madam, again.
Again
So,
different.
overhead, total cost per student, how much every student gets
Yes.
per month? Including all the charges for books, copies, you are
That
saying-
should be calculated, madam, again, because,
This has to be calculated.
yes,
This-
because we get a circular.
Calculate it and then.
Complete patients.
चलिए तो आगे बढ़ाइए ई गवर्नेंस तो पूरा गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से स्टाफ
Stop.
फ्री मेडिकल कंसल्टेशन ओडी फैसिलिटी
Definitely.
Branch family. CBS. Next.
क्वालिटी ऑडिट्स
Audit, financial audit and academic audit. Audit by two units, internal audit and
और
from CA.
that is external. And what is internal? From your
Internal
own
from
staff.
head office.
Head office.
But that is also governed by.
Institution values and social responsibilities, best practices, institution distinctiveness. Next. Gender equity and sensitization, International Women's Day program. International Women's Day program conducted. And Saki program, Saki is for empowerment of the ladies, the center program.
Under NSS.
इससे साथ
International Women's Day program in the campus.
She is an NGO.
Yeah, I know.
That's the yes.
The drain wet wastage waste collected by the municipality, Shamanpet. And students made different air and craft with waste material. Biomedical waste.
अच्छा ये बता दीजिए ई वेस्ट का मैनेजमेंट कैसे करते हैं ई वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट वी हैव रिटन हाउ डू यू मैनेज द ई वेस्ट
E-waste
व्हाट इज द
management
प्रोसीजर
What is the
ऑफ
procedure?
seminar, we have arranged a
Only, but
seminar
they are
on
not
e-waste
practicing.
management.
They may not be having so much of e-waste only.
ई वेस्ट के लिए जो आपके पुराने सीडीज
हाँ।
होते हैं या पुराने आपके कंप्यूटर्स होते हैं हाउ डू यू डिस्पोज देम दोनों तो ई वेस्ट लिख दिया है आपने खाली एंड हाउ डू
And
यू
so-
दिस बायोमेडिकल वाटर हाउ डू यू वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट क्या है बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट व्हाट इज बायोमेडिकल
Array,
वेस्ट
this is
Chemical fertilizers.
no, but that is not biomedical.
Man.
That is
Awareness given by the BCom students, not science students.
okay, okay, okay.
And what about waste water management in the kitchen where the students stay? All the
Yeah.
fruit and vegetable peels they come out.
Vermicompost.
Are
Vermicompost.
You do it, okay.
And what is
Vermicompost
waste water
is-
management?
Yes, sir.
How do you use the waste water?
Kitchen gardening.
Waste from RO system, the water is used for
that is
your
cleaning,
cleaning clothes.
Okay.
चलिए ये waste तो है ही नहीं बायोमेडिकल भी नहीं
Biomedical.
केमिकल वेस्ट भी इनको नहीं मालूम and then from the chemistry lab whatever comes
They
out
at least
dispose of it.
I think the environmental people, they give all the tablets and all to the plants, I think some.
plants पे कैसे डाल देंगे
Not every tablet can be put.
Yes, ma'am, something I.
Because disposal.
I'm not much aware about it, madam, but I.
So about acid and alkalis which are
Disposal of chemical waste until and unless you are doing exhaustive lab work. I mean, it depends. The use of otherwise, it's a must actually. You should have STP in place here
Yes, ma'am.
because that's the proper reuse of water.
Definitely will.
Because that you can always use for the irrigation. If you
Yes.
have a big area,
Yes, madam.
irrigating plants,
Yes.
it is a must. Like you are doing vermicomposting for solid waste, similarly STP is a must.
okay
Yes.
STP.
And solar also, I don't know if
you have got solar panels installed
No, ma'am, under the project this Sangal, they are planning to give this solar panels.
this is a must
Must.
Yes.
to save the electricity
You can save a lot. I mean, this is in the
Just rented building, madam, actually, so we are planning for it after we get into the, our
Permanent.
own building.
Oh,
They are
this is
giving
a
sponsor,
a rented
they
building,
accept.
sir.
Not giving money, they give sponsor only accept. Without money, spending money. Because all the items giving only the
Exactly, exactly.
This is the plantation.
आगे बढ़ा
Liquid waste management, how to manage the liquid waste
चलिए, आगे
and
बढ़ो।
drainage system,
next
rainwater harvest plant,
Harvesting
pit,
waste.
borewell, water distribution system. On walls, we have placed this.
आपका क्वेस्ट का कोई फोटो है तो वो दिखा
Yes,
Yes.
I'll
मेंटर मेंटी
Green campus initiatives, disabled friendly, and ISO certificates we have obtained. 3
energy audit, environment audit, green audit, gender audit, everything has been done.
Yes. The Clean India Rally, NSS. And this is the air quality analysis report and soil test.
Before.
Air quality.
NSS certificates.
Only ISO certificate, you wait for NIRF
Any other we are registered, sir?
registered?
Yes,
What
registered.
state?
Air quality कैसी है आपके यहाँ? What this report says? How is the air quality?
What is the report?
Report जो आप दिखा रहे हैं, what is being mentioned in that report?
SOX.
You have not read this report earlier?
One
What does this report say?
What visible the report, please tell the report.
Analyze the report.
Is
What
it from the pollution
analysis?
control board or what? I mean, you have locally.
Local.
अच्छा, local.
Local forest department.
District का वो
अच्छा।
forest.
ये तो रिपोर्ट में लिखा क्या है ये
Yeah.
बताइए ना।
पता
जैसे
मुझे।
नेक आपको A ग्रेड B ग्रेड देगा, ये रिपोर्ट आपके एयर के लिए क्या ग्रेड दे रहा है?
Total suspended particulate matter.
Only this TDS etc. No, air quality overall. SPM.
SPM.
Okay.
And particle size less than 10 micrometers.
Sulfur.
And
They give you
one
numbers.
oxide of nitrogen. This is the.
These are the, that's what.
तो आपको उनको पूछना था ना कि हाउ इज द एयर क्वालिटी, इज इट ऑफ
Is
गुड
it
क्वालिटी,
poor
or you
or
need to
very-
improve it, you should have
Yeah.
asked.
Okay.
Because there are, you know, levels. So if it is very poor, very, I mean, similarly, like, you know, in
जैसे दिल्ली में अब अलार्मिंग है air quality.
yes, very alarming.
What is the quality of the air here? You need to know about
Yeah.
it.
Okay, ma'am. We just got this.
खाली एक
We got the
certificate.
results.
No, he came there and he tested and all and he said.
Okay, but
you but try to understand.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
The analysis, I mean, you should be aware, no?
Yes, ma'am.
How good the air quality here is.
पूछ लेना फोन करके उनसे कि क्या है, you tell me in the evening.
Yes.
Talk to the agency and let me know in the
Okay,
evening.
madam.
फॉरवर्ड करते जाइए, आगे बढ़ाते जाइए।
Mental mental quest with.
हाँ ये भी पढ़ लिया प्लीज, आगे बढ़ा दीजिए।
First
Question and photos he asked.
First
यही है क्वेश्चन ना? अब
Yes.
अच्छा, I thought ज़्यादा बड़ा बताओ।
Our student, parents,
हाँ,
our lecturer. These are the photos.
आगे बढ़े।
Master students like transformation as VLCs,
Right.
village learning centers. These are the photos of master students. Martial arts, we also import martial arts to the students.
Only 4 students are registered.
In 2018, 4 students have registered, ma'am. But I mean, upcoming years.
अभी भी 9 है, ऐसा कुछ है, I read your report.
Yes, ma'am. They have increased.
ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं नहीं।
Increased, madam.
Before students.
Now the number is increased.
चलिए आगे बढ़े। चलिए
Chinese.
आगे बढ़ाइए, नहीं तो बाकी प्रेजेंटेशन मिस हो जाएंगे हमारे।
Okay.
ये सब केवल देखने से कुछ नहीं होगा ना,
Yes, yes.
बस बढ़ाता
Ma'am, CSR from our college, ma'am.
They have sent it and these could not be removed.
Yeah,
That's what they were.
just.
नहीं तो ये अपने कॉलेज में रहने वाला है कि जाएगा?
कॉलेज में रहने वाले हैं।
तो 2 मिनट के लिए अच्छे से बात देखिए, बस कर दीजिए।
how it is handled. So that is also one of the initiative with the IQAC coordinator. And all the whatever the guidelines are given by the institution, those are followed or not. This is also taken care about the IQAC coordinator. this is the composition of IPSC. So in our IPSC, 10 members the teaching staff and administrative staff is also there. And 2 members administrative staff.
So where is the administrative staff? They are sitting here. So not only the teachers, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Show me the composition first.
No, back. Ma'am, this is the composition.
Maybe number of teachers 10. Only 7 people are sitting here.
Myself and principal ma'am.
You have board. Where is the external industrialist person or the employee?
I can make a call to the person madam. He is very busy with his
Where is the alumni?
Just no,
She's standing right
now.
You're standing to call them now?
Yeah. No, actually they asked.
At the same time, Atma gave some of the legal advice, something we can take from that person so that I can put
Okay.
her name.
Get some aid from them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Introduce yourself. She is aluminium.
Okay.
Good morning ma'am, myself Fayatla.
You just take your seat.
No ma'am.
And you can just sit. Student should also sit.
So she's.
Yeah?
No, which company? Yeah.
Actually, I am doing not a proper job, but I am doing home tuitions for children's intermediate. Home tuitions.
Home tuitions. Oh, you couldn't get any job. Did you apply?
Recently, I completed my MSc in botany, ma'am,
Okay.
in Kakatiya University.
Okay.
Then after I entered into Hyderabad CSIR net coaching.
Okay.
Due to coaching and evening times, I will go to home tuitions.
Have you contributed anything in the college? Have you contributed anything in the college? As alumni?
Yes, sir.
Have you contributed anything?
Yes, sir.
But
In sometimes I will attend.
not only monetary, but also anything. You tell me.
No, you are banned.
Correct.
So this is our
Aage.
and our mission is to monitor.
Forward.
Yes.
Vision, mission, don't show it. Forward.
And names
Forward
are
this also.
so functions of
We know
IPSC.
the functions of IQAC. Move it.
So we are making.
You're not good only. Computer teacher and at least you can use a smartphone.
Madam,
No.
UPS.
Forward. We have seen all the clubs and committees by your principal. Presentation match nahi kar.
So
The same aspects you are doing.
the curriculum aspects.
You know, the similar slide your principal has already shown. All these things,
Yes,
bridge
ma'am.
courses,
Already.
and skill development, everything she has shown. आगे बढ़ाते जाइए आप. Certificates also, certificate courses.
So just there we are given some number, madam. So what type of certificate courses we are conducted in our college actually?
The reputation.
Tailoring, Tally, MS Office, resume writing, instrumental methods, analysis, Python. आगे कर दीजिए. Just keep on moving. हमको जहाँ लगेगा, we will ask you questions.
Just keep scrolling.
Keep scrolling. This is your mentor-mentee with every teacher getting 15 to 20 students. You just tell me, the student, what are you giving 15 to 20 students?
No,
for?
actually it is house mastership, ma'am.
Let her speak now.
Madam, we have total 34 faculty members. Either some of the faculty is the principal and my. First we get the mentor-mentee system.
So every teacher is not a mentor.
Now, house parenting is there, madam. So that is we are put here as a mentor-mentee system. That means every class.
We understand mentor-mentee. Just tell me ki how do you identify the slow learners from the fast learners? What is the mechanism for identifying? Only the marks which they have obtained in your
Family background and psychological backgrounds, as well as every time we can assess something and some different types of activities we can give. Based on it we can identify. For improving those slow learners we can use here quartet groups.
So at what time of the entire session you could identify the slow learners because you are observing the students for long. So
Yes, ma'am.
at what juncture,
So sometimes I give some question. Some candidate can
if you identify them in September, October, November,
No,
so how can
ma'am,
you
actually we identify the students right from the bridge course. At the end of the bridge course, we conduct one assessment to assess them. And we also have weekend test. Every weekend also we conduct test. On Sunday, because this is a residential institute, every Sundays they have weekend test.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody.
How to conduct the classes? During the class hours or the extra hours?
extra hours also we can make.
Yes, it's a pure, the students coming from long.
No, sir, hours is a so that we have so much of time.
Yes, yes.
And we are
Like
conducting
studies
the
also.
real time with students, sir. We
Every
know about
Thursday,
their
Saturday.
capabilities. We are conducting every Friday
Yes,
real
okay.
times. Special time for that.
आगे बढ़े.
So Sundays you don't give them, no, Sundays
Sundays
we
also
have
same.
2 hours of exam and then they are left.
Do you keep the record of the?
Yes.
MATLAB.
Workshops and he only asked international conference. This is research publication, yes. Sandhya Rani has got 55 publications in all UGC peer review or in
Yes.
local language.
UGC
peer
Yeah.
review.
We are going to
Ma'am, you explain how many of them UGC carries or peer review journals or scopus or
has got only 6. All UGC peer reviewed?
Yes.
UGC carries.
Yes.
चलिए आगे बढ़िए. हाँ चलिए. Chapter title books publication. And you can proceed. Awards भी दिखाया उन्होंने ना. You have seen all the awards in the principal's presentation. You yourself know.
Yes, hackathon. So this is the supernova we are conducting. So such a good, it's a state level program.
MOUs already shown.
Yes.
We have so many number of MOUs with other degree colleges as well as industries, and we have another MOU with the
Just tell me the
nearby.
benefits of MOU. What benefits your institution is getting from MOUs? That you explain and keep on moving the slides.
This is the upgradation in our college, infrastructure facilities. So recently we can, adopt.
What are the benefits of the MOUs I asked?
Oh, sorry.
No, don't show that slide. You just tell me.
So we have MOU with BBN Technologies Hyderabad. So they can give some of the extension lectures to our students. So those are benefited after completion of their course. How they use knowledge. That means different types. They give some of the that means on computer sector how they got.
But they are anything else besides lectures, anything else?
As we have besides in nearby village, we have another MOU with the Gram Panchayati. So that is vermicompost. We can prepare the vermicompost kitchen wastage from our college and we can send to there for the farmers. So that is one of the MOU.
That has got some advantage. Functional MOU.
Any other MOU?
Yes, ma'am. And we have in karate, martial arts MOU. We have started this program from last 5 or 7 years, and we take some
Sometimes
some of the
NRI from
students.
Australia is funding
Yeah,
that
yes, yes.
scheme because I've read in your SSR. Then how many students are learning martial arts right now?
But the students are nearly 10 to 15 students are there.
Very less. It's a residential college, why not all the students are learning that martial art?
And especially
Actually, it is
girls.
funded.
Neither is coming.
Yeah.
Instead of 10 students, even
I mean,
can
because they are not learning anything.
Initially,
Initially first.
we are increased
But now only 9, 10 only.
not 9, 10, 15.
She herself is telling 9-10. So you people first decide what to tell and then to say. You people decide what to say.
Again,
What software is available in the digital library? Software of the library.
New Gen Leap software. New Gen Leap software. New Gen.
New Gen.
Yes.
Okay.
The licensed software?
Yes, yes, sir. This is provided by our Gurukulam.
Gurukulam has given.
Everything is
Biometric attendance, is
Yes.
it a successful process?
yes, ma'am. It is.
Everybody can do it. And you take out the slips in the end of the month.
Yes,
How to make up,
Yes.
which the
How to
teacher
calculate
has got
the
a
CA
year.
from?
So every month, because that is a
SAMS,
SAMS.
Academic Staff Attendance Monitoring System through SAMS.
That is reviewed by the head office,
Yes.
not by your college.
No, we have a,
For staff, recently they have started the spatial biometric as well.
Yes, can.
So recently, we take care of
आगे बढ़ा एसी भी आपका शायद नहीं चल रहा है, अभी लगा है।
Power fluctuation की वजह से ना।
but you get the
So you know, solar install cost to get
Exactly. Ma'am, actually this is,
People are
Solar
promising
system.
solar.
अपने CSR में
Initiative.
One SSR, CSR.
We give the classes in collaboration with the Task Mahindra by classrooms, so that they learn about how to communicate, how to attend the interviews. So that type of classes we are conducted here, and yoga and physical fitness classes also conducted. That means in the morning we have the ground activity. We also have the one of the MOU with the yoga, Budakesha meditation. So they can give the yoga as well as meditation also. And coming to the health and hygiene, every Thursday we are conducted here Healthy Thursday program. That is a 3 to 5 session that is done by the GNMs as well as our house parents. So how to healthy and how to maintain the hygiene, all these things. And various training programs. Our society gives so many initiatives. So these are used for students very well. That is when some of the students are going to data science coaching, so they are placed also. So this is conducted with the collaboration of Capgemini and web science and technologies. This is also done by some of the MNCs companies, and we have 7 MOUs with the MNCs with our head office. So through the MNCs, every student.
some of the MOUs are
With the head office.
Head office.
So your parent institution has so many MOUs with
Yeah.
us. That is not considered as an MOU.
Yeah, through the parent institution, some of the students are selected based on the
What are Mahindra Pride classes then?
Mahindra, yeah.
communication oriented classes, madam, which are conducted by task.
CSR from Mahindra.
No.
So
Our
Nandi
Telangana
Foundation, that Nandi Foundation is tied up with the head office again.
Oh.
And they'll be under task, they'll do all these activities.
Pride classes.
This is not the
communication.
Mahindra. This is not the Mahindra and
So
Yes.
why is named it Mahindra?
Mahindra, yeah.
Why this name Mahindra Pride class?
But they have given it that name.
Achha,
I don't know like why they have given
Mahindra.
it. Mahindra Pride, they give it like
Okay.
that. Under Nandi Foundation. It is under task, which is tied up with the head
For
office.
communication skill.
For communication skills and brainstorming and everything. Like
Also-
GC,
The one week program,
Jam, everything
one
they
week
do.
program.
Job
For
readiness.
outgoing batch students.
They are giving training as well as jobs.
That is your perspective plan.
So in
That is your future
Yes,
plan, you
yes.
know, the first
Future
plan
plan.
you should
We are
go
giving-
with is your PG classes.
We are
The
giving
students
coaching.
after undergraduate are stopping their
Coaching, we are giving coaching here.
Then why
PG
don't they
coaching.
go in?
That is in process, ma'am, again. We will be expecting in the 2 years, I think. In the coming 2 years.
Labs,
Some of our
research labs.
Yes.
These should be your
The
plans.
Skeptech company has promised to provide all this, ma'am, like incubation centers and resource field trips and all. So that we are expecting from them again.
Including solar system also, that they are promising.
So PG is
Yes,
depending
future
on the
plan.
partner.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
आगे बढ़ाते जाइए. Photos we don't need to see.
In our college, we conduct the student council elections.
It's a democratic way or?
Safe voting process.
Inclusive is with respect to what? Like, you know, one is, of course, gender is not an issue with you because it's
Even
only
class
one-
is not an issue, everybody is a tribal girl here.
Yes.
So what you want to include here?
All religions
Inclusive
together, celebrate
education
everything.
for the normal colleges where they include the physically disabled.
Yeah,
people.
yes,
You
yes,
want to
yes,
include
yes.
the backward classes.
Yes.
What inclusion you want in your system?
Through the different organizations, that is we call women organization, we can build
Well, inclusive.
capacity building.
That is understand.
Disabled bathrooms are there, ma'am, for them.
No, that will not be a
People
reason.
don't understand the meaning of
Yeah.
inclusive. Inclusive genders are there, backward classes are there, tribal people are there, we include them in the mainstream
Yeah.
with the general students.
Yes.
You people belong to that class only.
Already, because
you
we-
know you people.
Ma'am, for a
But we
class
have
of
BC
40
also.
students, we have 36 STs.
The
Yeah.
main students is
Yes,
also.
yes, ma'am.
It's a very low percentage, but
Yes.
then it is being included.
It is
It's minority, very
Minority.
And also special category for
It's one person, it's-
PWD in our seat matrix.
Okay.
1% only normal population.
Yes, one OC can it only one. Other person.
BC is there, OC, BC, SC.
That
All
Yeah,
categories.
the other caste students are included.
Include कर रहे हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
But your students must be learning something from them also.
Yes, we celebrate occasions like the festivals, so all the festivals are celebrated. Usually under cultural difference, to build the cultural thing.
Harmony and-
Harmony, so we celebrate.
चलिए आगे बढ़ें. दोस्त हमने पढ़ लिया है. So how do you perform the academic audit? You have mentioned in the earlier slide. What is the process? You just explain me the process of academic audit.
For academic audit, we invite our nearby college madam. After that, they see all the registers, whatever we are followed, and then after they give the self-appraisal as well as comment to for faculty profile and department profile. They can assess something, that means whatever we are followed here. So that is the process they do.
External audit?
External audit.
From other teachers of
Other degree college faculty.
And how do you do that gender audit? Yours is only a girls' institution. You have mentioned gender audit also.
If any cases, if these people went outside, how we are gender maintenance, if they are facing any problems, so how it is, so that we can.
That will not be gender audit, no? Because
Green audit,
Green audit, we can take the botanical garden and some
who performed this green audit here?
ISO
You got the certificate.
certificates.
But people came to your institution?
Yes.
Have you seen the process of green audit?
Yes, yes.
What number of plants you have, what has got a green cover? So everybody, you should know about it because you are IQAC
Yes.
person. And she was telling about air quality. I said, what do you mean by this air quality? She doesn't know.
report is there.
Agricultural people that come, ma'am, actually.
So you should try to know now. If your child gets A grade, you know the meaning of A grade, that he is above 75%.
Yes.
So in your air quality certificate, the certificate which you have got, you cannot analyze it. So what is the use of getting such certificate? You cannot understand what is the quality of the air here. Yeah, so खाली you people are working superficial.
That's not.
हाँ चलिए आगे बढ़ा. This is superficial. Yes. I don't know what is gender audit for your institution. What is air quality for your institution?
Yes.
Inclusiveness also for this institution.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Yeah, HODs can start now.
Thank you. So if any
Ma'am, you
inconvenience or
said-
any
No, no,
weekend
no, no, no,
or
no,
something, we can
it's
definitely
not,
provide
uh,
answers. Otherwise, I will
because this is your first cycle,
Yeah.
you need to
Yeah.
know
So
whatever
certain
you are
things.
given, though
You should make a
we follow.
No, you should make a note of all these things for the
Yes.
next, because you know that will help you.
You rectify.
Yeah.
आपने हिंदी में एक दोहा सुना है, कबीर का निंदक नियरे राखिए आंगन कोठी छबाए। अपने निंदक को अपने बाजू में रखिए, तभी आप ग्रो
What I suggest to
because all of you are very junior, you know.
Yes.
Young faculty, you know, takes time to learn.
Next thing, the department is.
Department
Second
our IQAC members can go, only the head of the departments will sit.
Yes, team ma'am, we are here. Well, this is Seema Jamil, HOD of Commerce Department, and I'm here to just give a detail.
This is commerce, na?
Department. First of all, let me just tell that our students are from the marginalized sections of the society.
First, tell me how many people are in your department?
We are 5, madam. All of us have qualified net and SET.
Okay.
And I'm pursuing, the madam has already submitted her thesis. So we are 5. Talking about the achievements of the department, as I already told, our students are from Kandas and they are from marginalized sections, and you know, it is not an exaggeration to say that most of the students have completed their PG after graduation. Like we have 3 students who have completed the PG from Usmania University main campus, Kakatiya University, and also Satavahana University. And others have pursued their PG like MBA and MCOM from affiliated colleges. And not just that, they are also working in companies. I mean, our students have been placed in companies like Shell Camp, then we have Byju's Physics Wala, and a few of them also are placed in ICICI Bank. And it is also a proud moment for us to tell that one of our students have qualified TSET recently. So, I could, rate this as the achievements of our department. And then moving on to the best practice of our department, ma'am. We have a separate activity cell called as Commerce Club, wherein we train the students in order to improve the communication skills, because in this competitive market today, it is very essential for the students to equip the necessary knowledge in the students. So here in Commerce Club, we do various activities, like we have the group discussion sessions, we have the jam sessions, then we have debate sessions, we also have business quiz being conducted, and we have various competitions being held. So this is the best practice of our department.
What is the full form of GEM?
I don't know.
Jam.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Just a minute.
We give them 1 minute time, wherein we give the students
It's a sort of quiz.
not a quiz, ma'am. We give them a topic. They will
Small
have to speak on the
presentation.
topic
Yeah.
spontaneously in order to assess the communication
Extempo.
skills.
Extempo.
Yeah, it's like an extempo.
Yeah, or a GEM.
Yes.
But they are doing, the students are doing well in your.
So this is the best practice that we are doing since the inception of our college.
Right.
What is the enrollment in your department?
Right now we are catering to around more than 100 students, ma'am. We have BCom computers, we have BCom generals, and 200 students have passed out since the inception of the college. That is from 2017.
What skill development or value-added courses you are running in your department?
Actually, as of now, we don't have any value-added course, but we only have Commerce Club, ma'am. In the future, we are
But
planning.
your principal showed us that those classes.
We have certificate courses.
Certificate courses only I am
Yes, ma'am.
asking about.
We have certificate courses like
What courses you are?
basics in Tally we give, then knowledge in auditing we give, sometimes mehendi designing also we give, then basics of tailoring, because these days we need to instill the entrepreneurial skills also in the students.
Maybe because giving them a business.
The strength of the students is not mentioned.
Result analysis.
Yeah, yes, sir, ma'am. Right from the inception of the college, we have a pass percentage of more than 90% since the inception. This is the student enrollment, sir.
It was at the peak in 2021. During COVID, it was at the peak.
Yes, ma'am.
Because they gave online exams from home.
We started with 17 students. And right now we are catering to more than 100 students.
So everybody got the
What is the sanction strength?
We have 40, sir, 46